Hi, I'm Craig. I lead product at Yelp. Today, we're announcing a new set of features that make it even easier for you to connect with great local businesses. To kick off, we're announcing Yelp Guaranteed, a new program that offers our Request a Quote users greater peace of mind when hiring a service professional. If things go wrong with your home project, Yelp's got you covered with up to $2,500 back. Today, Yelp Guaranteed is available in select cities for some of our most popular home service categories, and we're looking forward to rolling this program out nationally this summer. We're also making it even easier and more engaging to leave reviews on Yelp. While you're writing your next review, we'll let you know which topics you've covered, reminding you what made your experience at that business great. And we're excited to announce that you can now add short videos to your reviews to give others an even better feel for the business, whether you're showing off a restaurant's ambience or a 360 of your dog being groomed. Once your review's published, others in the community can show their appreciation with fun, new review reactions. We've also made a ton of improvements to Yelp's search experience. New review snippets leverage AI to surface hyper-relevant information when you're searching for something specific, like tennis courts. And when you can't decide where to eat, our new Surprise Me feature will give you its best recommendation of highly rated restaurants. Or you can use our clickable category tags to narrow down your search. These are just a few ways that we're enhancing Yelp to help you better connect with your local community. Give it a try. Open your app, and I'll see you on Yelp.